This has got the Fix-It Guide, just here to warn you to never use the self-clean feature of your oven. This feature brings the temperature inside your oven anywhere between 800 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and does quite a bit of damage, either damaging the control unit or tripping a thermal overload, or if you have an electric oven, it can even melt your bake or broil element. So I advise to only do the manual cleaning and to avoid the self-clean. Here's a electric bake element that was used during self-clean, and it got so hot it basically melted, and then had to come and repair this one. It's an easy repair, but it's not really even a necessary thing as long as you never use the self-clean feature. If you remove the door, it's actually pretty easy to do a manual cleaning, and it won't damage your oven. You'll end up with a nice clean oven. So this is what the bake element looks like. So here are some other views of that same element. It just got so hot, the ceramic coating melted, and then the inner wire broke inside, and that was the end of that oven. So thanks so much for watching, and please do not use your self-clean. Thank you.